With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.
The purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.
Introducing the new Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. Designed to be easy to fill, use, and clean, this humidifier offers two ways to fill. Use a pitcher to pour water directly into the tank, or at the sink by removing the tank. Perfect for medium to large-sized rooms, it releases visible cool mist, and the variable humidity control knob allows you to customize moisture output. Plus, filter-free technology and wide tank opening make for easy maintenance. For a convenient and effective way to relieve dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.